We need to slay the sea dragon!
Ow! Gwen!
Gwen, be more careful. We need to slay him gently.
Really? Okay.
Ow! Uncle Dan!
What? I want to play too.
Sea dragon needs to play. Ow! Gwen!
Brothers, sisters, great news! Earl and May are taking us on a field trip. I'm so excited. It's so great. Hurry, guys. Hurry, it's time. You don't want to miss this. Come on, everyone. Let's go.
No, 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 no! Cuckoo! Stop!
What is it, my little friend?
The chef!
You want to come too? Come on, let's go.
You gotta stop!
Last one is a rotten egg.
Stop! Whoa, 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 whoa. Gwenny! No, don't hit your father.
What?
If we're not hitting fathers.
Where are you going?
Delroy is the sea dragon now!
Of course!
I love that!
You're next.
No, you're gonna be gentle. Okay,
Gwenny, come on! Go! He's gonna take you to his kitchen. He's gonna serve you to people with oranges.
Hey, what's happening?
Dad, it's the chef. He's back. Earl and May are giving those ducks to the chef so we can cook them.
I beg your pardon.
Dax, go back to Mom. I'll handle this.
No! I can help!
Go back to Mom now! Gugu, do not get on that truck!
Look, I understand this is all new to you, bit weird, bit strange.
Don't you get it? It's a trap! You gotta get yourself
Everyone, get out of the truck unless you want to be cooked!
What? Wait, what's that?
Come on! Hurry! You gotta go before he comes back! Let go!
Earl and May
Dax?
are leaders. They must...
Dax!